University is a premier university nestled between coastal and offshore seas, mountains, and a volcano.
With 7 campuses scattered around the region, Bicol University is one of the top-notch in the fields of accountancy, engineering, nursing, social work, and education. BU has 15 colleges including College of Science, College of Law, College of Arts and Letters, College of Forestry, and many more.
One of the colleges of Bicol University is College of Business, Economics, and Management. It offers BS Economics, BS Entrepreneurship, BSBA Financial Management, Operations Management, HRM, Marketing Management, Microfinance, and our program which is BS Accountancy. The Department of Accountancy provides academically qualified and professionally competent faculty members and professional lecturers possessing professional expertise in their respective fields. Members of the faculty are constantly devising innovative ways, methods, and techniques to provide a more enjoyable learning environment for the students. Just like other schools, the Department of Accountancy of Bicol University has its retention policy for major subjects. Those who did not meet the retention grade of 2.4 will take a comprehensive examination, and if they still fall short from the aforementioned, they can retake the subject through the cost recovery program.
To get to know more about the program, let's hear the stories of BSA students of Bicol University.
I chose BSA because it was the choice of my parents. Originally, my choice would be BS Tourism, but due to financial problems, I could not pursue what I wanted. So, here I am.
First and foremost, ito lang yung course na naipasa ko for college admissions. But to tell you honestly, my parents told me na it's a very good undergrad if you're going to go to law school. Natural na yata sa accountancy na whenever there's a quiz, you will always feel na lacking yung inaralan mo pag nasa quiz ka na. You will always say, I have studied this, but where is it sa exam proper? And a proper tip siguro is solve. 30% theoretical, 70% solutions.
And my only advice to future students who would take up BS Accountancy would be that you have to have patience, perseverance in order to carry on with this course, and no matter what life throws you or BSA throws you, you have to continue because you are here for a reason. So you have to keep going.
Apart from the fact that Bicol University has been majority's dream school, we chose to study accounting here because of the university's reputation in producing highly skilled students who are knowledgeable and skilled in their fields.
There is no such thing as easy. Conversely, accountancy has the lowest passing rate in licensure examinations. Studying accounting is ambitious and laborious. Motivation alone cannot lead you to what you aim for. Hence, it requires discipline, perseverance, and passion. Even though we have doubts why we are taking this path because of the seemingly endless struggles and breakdowns, always remember why we started.
Keep in mind that with hard work, perseverance, and prayer, we will be reaping the fruits of our labor. To the aspiring accountancy students, do not be afraid of the program and its subject. As Mr. Jasper Tagle, top 5 of October 2022 licensure examination for CPA 1 said, accounting is beautiful if taught correctly. As a BSA student, one of the many things I learned is that there's no such thing as failure, only a lesson learned. Oo, mahirap pag nagsisimula pa lang. At sa umpisa talaga ang pinakamahirap.